I have a question for you. Do you want to cut the roof off of my car?
Right now. As long as you're a consenting adult, yeah, I'll cut the roof off your car.
You guys heard it here first. We going El Camino style on this Bonneville, bro.
I like your cut, G.
Welcome back to Kikis Customs, the only custom shop, which I have no idea what I'm doing. Today we're gonna be, I don't really know, because my boy Evan over here, he's got a Camry. We want to make it an off-road beast, right? So light bars, wide tires, big knobbies. What do you want to do to the interior?
We're just gonna make it all real nice and like VIP style. Redo all this garbage, you know. We'll get nice seat covers for it.
So like a JDM interior, and then the outside's gonna be like a diesel truck. Don't ask me, man. This thing is gonna be sick. But yeah, we're gonna put some spacers on this, see how it works. We're gonna do the speakers today. Eventually we'll do some tires, light bars, and all that smart stuff. And then this bad boy over here, as you saw in the beginning of the video, we're gonna make these competitors. So I'm gonna lift that just like how he's lifting this, make it El Camino style, cut the roof off, put some knobbies on it, basically make it a truck, because I need a truck and I don't have the money to buy a truck. So we're just gonna you guys are gonna be entertained, just I'm gonna tell you that. Check out this mini bike we built. Took a 212 Predator engine from the Harbor Freight. He modded it up a little bit. We got this frame from some guy was throwing it out, so we put it all together. And look at this thing, it came out pretty sick. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that dust flying out of it.
It fucking got it stuck.
You got the wrong socket, bro. What?
I got it stuck. It's fine.
As you can tell, this is already going great. Oh man, we gotta put get lipstick on a pig. Look, I decided to be extra safe today. Look what I brought. Get her on there. Camera boy? What? Oh yeah. It definitely ain't no 2-inch spacer like on the SL, but I mean, makes the fitment look better.
It does make it look a little better. It definitely needs another spacer.
Yeah, you can lower it now. All right, we're gonna throw the other 4 on, and then we're gonna get to putting speakers on it. Got a little pokey boy on the front. Probably gonna need a 2-inch spacer in the back, but let's go test it out. Let's go test it out. All right, so we got 200,000 miles on the dash. Woo! Got a little bit of bush action. Look at that. 200,000 miles on the dash.
260.
260. That's a good test run. All right, now we gotta put some, what are we doing next?
Subs and speakers.
Subs and speakers, that's
right.
right.
We have to go get a head unit.
Head unit.
Well, let's go back to the house real quick and put everything away.
Let's go. Both sides or it doesn't count. Hey! Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, look at workers right here. Oh, he's recording. So that was a fun little quick trip to Mexico. Got a little.
It's rough now.
All right, we're going to Best Buy to get a head unit. Throw it in there, get some subs going. Make this thing so nice. All right, so door panels. Door panels come off. Usually most door panels are the same. There's usually screws hidden underneath, stuff like this. After you get those out, just pull it. Should come out. Lift up here, because it always slides in. Just lift this whole thing up, should come out.
I don't think so.
So here's the old speakers we just pulled out. You could hear that. New ones are quiet. That's how they should be. Now we're working on the head unit. Let's figure something out. And after you do that, we're just gonna wire it up. Nice, nice. How much does that weigh? Like 10 pounds?
Yeah.
So we decided to, you know, epoxy it in there, because why not?
I don't have time for. I just want music. I just want loud noises.
Yeah, so once that epoxy dries, we're gonna wire this thing up.
You want to start throwing the subs in? Get the subs all in position for where they need to while we do this?
I like that idea. I'm gonna get on it. We got these speakers done, so
Yeah, these are pretty good.
almost done with this. All right, so we got the battery right there, and we got a nice spot under here, so I'm just gonna send it. Yeah, send it. Look at that. Oh, that's perfect. This wiring hooked up, we're gonna run it through here underneath the floorboard all the way to the trunk. Head unit is curing. It's going smooth as possible. Can you explain this to me?
Oh, the car's been sitting for a while. I wouldn't touch any of that.
All right, after inhaling a bunch of lead smoke, we got the wiring done. It's looking really clean. Look at that. Tested, and check this out over here. Got all this wired up. It's not beautiful, but it should work. We're about to test it right now. Volume up. Push the volume on. Oh, it's making noises. Put no. I like it. You want to connect your phone?
Yeah, I need a. Fuck! Oh, my phone's dead.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, we're gonna test it with my phone real quick, and we'll test it again later with this
Bluetooth.
head unit. Ooh, popping up. No messy wiring, just messy floors. Let's go test these out.
It ain't easy being a daisy with these jealous rap niggas and these punk ass
All right, that's probably as much footage that I can show you from this, because I'm gonna get copyrighted. But tomorrow we're definitely gonna be putting cutting the roof off, man. If you guys like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you think. Hold on, you guys thought the video was over? We didn't cut the roof off yet. It's the next day. Today's the day. All right. Oh. I'm actually really excited. This is just funny. So look at, they even from the factory, they got a nice body line we're gonna cut right here, right? Just cut right there. We're also going to mark it out. Excuse the mess in here, but basically from this line, we're gonna go straight here, all the way, connect it to that. For now, we're gonna leave these back seats in. We're eventually gonna take all this out, make it a flatbed in there, and just gonna cut right here, get that line, take the back glass off, just remove that, put it down. And then eventually take out the windows and cut it nice and flat so it matches up. Cause see, look at that body line. That's too perfect not to cut.
I guess you're right.
Okay, first things first, we're gonna pop off this seal and try to take this back glass off without breaking it. Save us some mess from cleaning up. Maybe I could sell it too. And after that, we'll cut this and then go back and fine tune those lines. But I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't think he knows what he's doing, so this is gonna be fun. Just gotta blow torch.
I don't know what to do with this.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna cut the seal. You wanna make sure you do not scratch your paint, because that will be bad. Ow. Thing is tough. Here, try this. Just pull this towards you. Yeah. All right, so when you were taking out the back glass, you want to be extra careful. Or just send it. And now when you're taking out the back glass of a car, you want to be extra careful. Or just fucking send it.
There you go.
I gave up on that, what do you call it? Being gentle with it, so RIP to my tinted glass, but easy. Gonna have glass in my hands now. There we go. Okay. Very professional.
It's detached.
You want to grab that section and try to get it over
Get
there?
it into the wheel. Yeah.
Just pull it. Pull the whole thing. Beautiful. Professional. All right, we're going to vacuum this up, and then step 2 is next. Yeah. Remember, kids, a clean workspace is a happy workspace. All right, we got that vacuumed up. Now we're just getting a line down the headliner. Make sure that's all disconnected. Make sure your cuts are really precise and clean. All right, now we got to mark a line on the top, somewhere around there, and somewhere around here. Start cutting.
Want to tilt it up?
For this back window, it curves like that, right? On the inside, inside part, right? We'll do it right before it curves.
Okay.
It's breaking out the tools from 1999, my friend.
Will this cut through metal?
It will if you make it.
Yeah.
Anything's possible if there's a will, there's a way. Kids, safety first. Make sure you have one glove on, one glove off, and you look like a scientist. Make sure you're very gentle with your headliner. There we go. Don't need that anymore. Oh, I like it. I like it.
Yeah, it's getting stuck on something.
It's because you're not cutting hard enough, my friend. Yeah, I just had that thought of, what the f are we doing? We're in too deep now, I can't go back. Oh, dude. Man, I'm gonna have PTSD from this. This reminds me of the time I first took off the top on the SL, except we cut this one. This thing is gonna look sick.
Uh-huh.
You wanna go on that side, I'll go on this side?
Yeah. Do you want help?
Wait for it. Oh my god. What did I do?
What did you do, Keith?
Now I got a convertible. I'm really speechless right now. This rattle though. I don't know, man. It looks pretty sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. That thing is pretty sick. I don't know. Should we cut off the doors? Should we take out the back windows? Maybe another day. I don't know. There's gonna be so much body flex now. Gonna need a roll bar, that's for sure. It's just, it's not right. It's not right. But I'm gonna end that video there. If you want to see the rest of this build, if you want to see some more shenanigans, hit that subscribe. Leave a comment if you think that was smart of us to do that. Yeah, just stay tuned. We got some more stupid stuff coming. All right, I'm out. You notice anything different? Holy bro, why?
What?
Because, bro, I need a truck. I need a truck, and I don't have
yeah, I got you.
Yeah, it makes sense now.
So this is just now the bed?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna cut it here, right? So it's actually flat. Take out the back seats and put a piece of wood or something.
That's insane.
All right, I got a little bit of bonus footage for you. I'm gonna go show Leo right now. I want to see his reaction. Next video, which is gonna be tomorrow from today, I'm gonna finish cutting the rest of this off. So it's actually, I think I'm gonna go convertible style, something, I don't know. But we're gonna take it to a car show and get people's reactions. So I'll leave a link for that video because it's gonna be funny. But yeah, enjoy.
No way, bro. I think that might be mine.
Ellie, you see this?
Like 7.
How'd you do that? It's convertible, bro.
No, convertible, bro. What do you mean? What the?
Oh, it's funny, huh?
Why'd you do that?
Because I need a truck, bro.
He said, why'd you do that?